Hey, welcome to another episode of DIYCarModz. My name is Jeff. I have another viewer requested video today. The issue that they are having is a foul odor smell from the vents. They've already taken their vehicle to the dealership and had it fixed. What they did was they went ahead and sprayed chemicals on the intake line that fixes this issue. But it's only been about 6 months and the smell is starting to come back, and they want to know if there's anything else that they can do at home to help minimize the smell. Now, they've also mentioned that they have not changed out their cabin air filter since they purchased the vehicle 3 years ago. So this video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and change out the cabin air filter with this Fram one, and also at the end give you some tips on how to help minimize the odor from coming back. Honda recommends that you change it every 30,000 miles or so, or if you live in a dusty environment, change it more often. I change mine every once a year. The first thing you need to do is open up your glove box and then go ahead and undo the hook. Just push down. And then squeeze the sides inwards, and there is the cover for the cabin air filter. So go ahead and squeeze the two little tabs on the sides, and then remove the filter, and there you go. It's been about a year since I changed this, and as you can see, this is pretty filthy. And now I'm gonna take this new filter . Now, if you look at the filter, there will be an arrow pointing down. And if you look all the way back there, you'll see that there's an arrow pointing down also. So you just have to make sure you line that up and put it in. And then put the cover back on. Raise up, squeeze, and then don't forget to go ahead and pull this out and hook it in, and that's it. Now that should help with the odor for the interior cabin when the air is coming out of the vents. Now, a quick tip on how to prevent the foul odor from your vents is when you are using your AC, try not to use your recirculation button. If you do have to use this to cool down the vehicle quickly, once the vehicle is cooled down, take it off and then make sure fresh air comes in. And also the last 2 to 5 minutes of your drive, if possible, go ahead and take it off the AC, run it full blast with fresh air to dry out the evaporator and also your vents. Alright, hopefully this video is helpful. If you have any other questions, please leave in the comments below. As always, don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, where I do free monthly giveaways for my YouTube subscribers every month. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.